Welcome guys. Welcome to the channel. My name is Demonte. Today we're replacing the halogen license plate lights with the LED license plate lights from Parts AM. I purchased these lights on Amazon a couple of days ago. They just came in a day ago. I'm replacing them today. Alright guys, this is what they look like. Good quality. I read good reviews on them. So let's put these in and see how they work. Hopefully they give me a nice aggressive look in the back like I want. Alright guys, the first thing you want to do is move this white thing right here, this white piece. Very simple. It's a clamp right there. Just press it and pull out. The second thing you want to do is do the same thing for this one. It's the clamps on the side and just pull it out right here. All we have to do now is put the new LED light inside of there. It's very easy. What I recommend you to do before, if you have the old ones in there, get some gloves, something that get a grip on the bulb, and just trying to yank it out, wiggle it a couple times, it should come straight out. So let's put the new LED lights in there, see what we have. So all you have to do is in here, find the right plate, and just stick it in there. It goes in just like that, and voila, got your first one right here. We're gonna put this back in the same way we took it out, and let's see what we have. All right, we got this. First thing we need to do is attach this back to here. All we have to do is find the spot where it clicks at, and voila, it is in there. All right, the lights are installed in the back. When you get done, make sure you just go to the light switch on your car and just flick them on and just see how they look. If they give you that mean aggressive style that you want in the back. It's a very simple, easy, quick DIY. It just takes you less than, I say, 30 minutes to do this. If you like this video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I'm gonna give you the link where you can purchase the same lights I have, the license plate lights, in the description below. So stay tuned for more videos. Hustle never stops. All right guys, I'll see you guys later. All right.